What is NASA? NASA, or National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is a United States government agency responsible for the civilian space program as well as aeronautics and aerospace research. NASA's mission is to pioneer the future in space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research. To do that, thousands of people have been working around the world and in space for more than 50 years, trying to answer some basic questions. What's out there in space? How do we get there? What will we find? What can we learn there, or learn by just trying to get there, that will make life better on Earth? NASA's work is diverse, proving flight technologies, creating capabilities for sustainable human and robotic exploration, exploring Earth, the solar system, and the universe beyond, developing critical enabling technologies such as the Orion space capsule, and conducting science in orbit aboard the International Space Station. With NASA, you can share exploration of the universe and discoveries of our home planet, Earth.
The Challenger disaster took place on January 28, 1986 at the NASA's Kennedy Space Center off the coast of Central Florida. The purpose of the Challenger disaster was to release tracking and data relay satellite. Originally, it was scheduled to launch on January 22nd with 7 crew members, including Krista McAuliffe, a 37-year-old teacher in the space program who went through training to prepare. The mission launch was delayed 6 days because of weather and technical problems. At 11:39 a.m., the Challenger lifted off. Not even 73 seconds in the air, the Challenger disaster caused the death of 7 crew members. What went wrong? A question we all asked ourselves. The O-ring on the shuttle's right solid booster failed during liftoff, causing gas to escape from the booster. This is what caused the explosion. This was the second shuttle to go up to space, but the first one to explode on its way up.
High hopes were aimed when the 7 crew members of the Challenger entered the space shuttle. The Challenger was NASA's second space shuttle to enter service. The mission launch was delayed 6 days because of weather and technical problems. It took place on January 28, 1986, at the Kennedy Space Center off the coast of Central Florida. At 11:39 a.m., Challenger lifted off. 73 seconds later, the shuttle exploded. All 7 members passed away while hundreds of people were watching the shuttle take off. Who were the 7 members that died in the explosion? Each crew member had family and friends who were devastated and also shocked by the explosion. The hundreds of people watching did not expect the Challenger to explode and the 7 crew members to die. This event was very tragic. People were looking for the Challenger to take off and make history. 7 well-educated and young people died because of a small accident. The 7 crew members still did make history, but not the way they intended to do so. Francis R. Scobie, the commander, born on May 19, 1939. Michael J. Smith, the pilot, born on April 30, 1945. Ronald E. McNair, the mission specialist, born on October 21, 1950. Ellison S. Onizuka, another mission specialist, born on June 24, 1946. Judith A. Resnick, another mission specialist, born on April 5, 1949. Gregory B. Jarvis, the payload specialist, born on August 24, 1944. And Crystal McAuliffe, another payload specialist, born on September 2, 1945.